Crazy thing is, this is only going to be a few seconds worth of shots, but I just want to create a area where I can take a picture for a potential thumbnail or anything like that, because I have some stuff behind the scenes with commercials and stuff working right now. But hopefully 16 inches. 16 inches. Hey everyone, so I don't really know if this video is going to make any views or whatever, but I like to document things that I'm doing all the time. I might have a deal with a company that I can do commercials with, like, you know, product commercials. They reached out to me and they wanted to work together. So, like I said, I'm cheap. I'm not really, well, I'm frugal. I don't want to spend no money. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to make a makeshift light box for you guys, for myself or for you guys, and see what I can do. I don't know if it's going to come out great. I don't know if it's going to come out decent, but I do have scrapped things back here that I might be able to use. So just bear with me. Let's see what we can do. I got some tin foil for reflection. I got wood. I got corners. We'll see what we can do because I got screws. Let's put it all together and see if we can make a halfway decent light box. Okay. We're working with so the plan is to make somewhat of a 16 by 16 on the sides, lengthwise, hopefully about 22 inches, if not maybe a bit shorter. But that's the plan. We'll see if it happens. I don't know. So I bought a bunch of colored boards like this yesterday at a Dollar Tree. These are about 22 inches wide. I want to see if I can cut it down to 20 if I need to, or make it 22 if I can, make it 22, and have this as a backdrop. I have multiple colors. If it turns out pretty nice, it'll look nice. I would have saved a couple of beans. All right. Essentially, the plan is to make 4 pieces. Forgive me right here. Right, these 4 pieces, 22 inches a piece. All right, 22 inches a piece. 22 inches a piece. And then we're going to connect those with hopefully 16 inches. 16 inches. 16 inches, and then connect those with another 16 inches. 16 inches. If that makes any sense. much it. Just gotta clean some stuff up there and there. I'll be putting the paper in there. I gotta find some type of walling right here. And I'm thinking about putting some just cardboard to make that a bit more rigid. It is rigid already. That's not, which is a bit more, just more of a base, and then find a solution for the sides. I don't know if it's gonna do like some clear blankets to diffuse the light, or I can just put like put the light up here, 2 lights up here, and then put some aluminum foil or silver lining there, but I gotta see. Pretty super simple, like that, and then we'll put our subject right here, do some to that. I can put a 3D rotation here. Yeah. Hey guys, so I found some time this weekend to finish up my my light box. So I'm gonna do some work today where I'm gonna put like aluminum sides to it so I can magnify the light and things like that. Like I said, this is a project that I'm doing, that I'm using things that I do have already so I don't have to spend any money. So I found some of my aluminum tape. I'm gonna use some of my aluminum foil, create like more reflective, you know, feature, make it really brighten it up. So if it doesn't work out with this light, will not suffice, I will be probably putting holes in here to put different lights here. And I'll put a diffuser in there as well to, you know, soften it up. But for now, I'm going to be using this light. It's a work light that I have. Like, this was a light that was sponsored. So what I'm going to do is potentially hang it up just like this. Let's do some test runs. Stuff is right there. So I was hoping to put on this light, but it wasn't working because it was giving me the black bar. These don't. So I'm just gonna rig it to the point where you can see it up here. I'm gonna put one back here. Right, I'm gonna put one back here as well to really give that good view, front and back, but we'll see what happens. I also gotta deal with the reflection right here, right there. Deal with that reflection, but we'll take care of that later. So everyone, this is the preliminary setup. There's the product right there. I gotta clean this out, but there you go. I got jerry rig that thing, but you can see it's locked up with regular screws, so that's not moving. So let's turn it on and see. This is one light, huge difference. Here's the second light, but at the moment, I do have the light up there, the lights. They're there. So if I were to do a presentation, I can easily do a presentation here. Obviously that looks kind of weird, but right there, easy presentation, a little close up. I can put a tripod here, do my thing. If I were to get a 360 situation there, I can do it. So I'll be doing reviews on this soon, but literally, like, I can do pictures right here. Pretty cool. That's the preliminary setup. I might put I might take these out. or shape them down. I don't know yet, but I might put aluminum foil here as well. Does that provide me any type of relief? Let's see. Forgive the gloss, but generally speaking, if I was reviewing this, not the glare here, but pretty cool. But I might do a few more things to it just to brighten it up more and get some more light out of it, but we'll have to see. But yeah, I just want to try to light it up really well, maybe from even underneath. I'll see what I can do. But yeah, this is my ongoing DIY light box. But it's coming out pretty good. I can see potential in it. It's got to tweak it a little bit, but you guys are gonna see the end product, and you'll just end up seeing the product anyway here. And this is probably not gonna be around, so you wouldn't even really know. I would know, but I just wanted some type of backdrop, and I had nothing to do at the house. But yeah. So this is pretty much the finished product. It's on my desk right now. I know it's very makeshift because that was the intention here. But great thing is that I have something to, I think it gives enough sufficient light. I gotta rip off this plastic to give off, you see that shadow right there? I don't like that. But to do hand reviews and things like that, right here, this angle, I think it's decent. The light is there, so you know, so it doesn't give off, you know, I don't want to show that off right there. But I think it's sufficient to do hand reviews and things like that. Very little reflection here, but a lot over there. So I'll probably just do it on the matte side or redo it again, and I'll jump back in. So now I redid it. I'm still seeing a little bit of flare, but not as much as before. I'll give a comparison video to that, like right here, but there is some reflection here. I think it's because, let's pull that back a little bit, but not as much as before. The reach was like up here. I'll follow up. I'm done with that. I put that there. We'll see right here. We'll see if that will give some type of reflection or good reflection. And I'm just gonna put this down here to give it more I guess sturdiness. I honestly just want to get rid of this wood. I mean, these cardboards. I just feel it's a waste if I do throw it away because they're nice and thick. But I'm gonna try to push this down, level that off with this, and yeah, tape it off. Maybe make a little fake floor of it. I don't know, but we'll see. So this is pretty much the final product. As you can see, there's very little reflection here as opposed to before, and the shot's going to be more closer to here anyway, right here. So when I have the product, it will, if I have focus, product will be right here more, showcasing. And this is just, crazy thing is this is only going to be a few seconds worth of shots, but I just want to create a area where I can take a picture for a potential thumbnail or anything like that, because I have some stuff behind the scenes with commercials and stuff working right now. So I can do a thumbnail like this, really cool right here. I might get some lighting in front of this right here. But yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy. Hey everyone, so that is pretty much the end of the video. I am done with the project. Like I said, I just took up scrap parts from some of the projects I had around the house. And I just wanted to show you can do it too with basic tools. It wasn't really crazy. And I did buy some, you know, poster board from Dollar Tree. So I guess all in, this is probably like $10, but it was fun to make and things like that. I don't know how long it will last, but the main reason why I built this was because I'm trying to strike a deal with a company to try to make product review videos separate from YouTube, to try to make an income stream for myself and for my family. But yeah, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I love the growth of the channel. Thank you for everyone constantly returning and watching these videos. And you don't know how much it is. I'm so grateful for, you know, for the YouTube channel just to grow the way it has grown. I do have some projects going on. I'm still working on the website for the couriers and things like that, and some other things going on, because I'm always consistently trying to diversify, but not too much, not
put too much on my plate where I can't handle it, but just enough where I can focus on 1 or 2 or 3 projects and try to, you know, try to do what I can with those projects. But thank you again. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.